Stop for a second. Be honest. How much of your success is built on quick fixes and motivational fluff? If you're like most people in the US, UK, or Canada, you're constantly stressed, distracted, and feel like you're one bad day away from burnout. You're trying to achieve modern success with a completely broken mental operating system. But what if the world's most successful emperors, CEOs, and athletes weren't driven by hype, but by a 2,000-year-old system designed for unshakable focus and resilience? I'm talking about Stoicism. Forget everything you think you know about self-help. Today, we're unlocking 17 timeless, 100% actionable Stoic secrets. The kind of secrets that instantly cut your stress by focusing only on what you can control. These are the tools that build success that actually lasts. Get ready. Your blueprint starts now. Success begins with mental mastery. These first 5 secrets teach you where to place your energy for maximum impact. Focus on the controllables, the dichotomy of control. This is the bedrock. Secret number 1 is realizing most things, other people's opinions, the economy, traffic, are outside your control. True power comes from focusing only on your actions, judgments, and responses. This instantly eliminates 90% of your worry. Practice negative visualization, premeditatio malorum. Secret number 2 isn't being pessimistic, it's an asset. Imagine your job, health, or possessions being lost. By mentally preparing for the worst, you build profound resilience and deeply appreciate what you have right now. Use the inner citadel. Secret number 3 is your mind is your fortress. No external event, no insult, no setback can truly harm you unless you allow it to. When chaos strikes, retreat to this inner citadel to make calm, rational decisions. Embrace hardship. Amor Fati. Secret number 4 means love your fate. Don't tolerate obstacles. Embrace them as opportunities for growth. Every challenge is a chance to practice virtue, like courage or patience. Define your own good. Secret number 5 is to stop chasing external validation. Money, fame. Stoics define the good not by outcomes, but by virtue, justice, temperance, courage, and wisdom. Success is being an excellent person, regardless of the results. Stoicism is a philosophy of action. Here are 5 secrets to maximize your productivity and effort every single day. Start with a morning intention. Secret number 6 is setting the agenda. Before you check your phone, ask, what virtue will I practice today? This primes your mind for purposeful, focused action, making your day proactive, not reactive. Take a daily account, evening review. Secret number 7 is essential for rapid improvement. Every night, review your day. What did I do well? Where did I fail? What could I have done differently? This self-assessment is the ultimate feedback loop. Procrastinate on the trivial. Secret number 8 is about ruthless prioritization. Seneca urged us to avoid busy work. Be quick to identify and delay or eliminate tasks that don't move you toward your main goals. Focus on deep work. Remember impermanence. Memento Mori. Secret number 9 is a profound motivator. Life is finite. Use the knowledge of your own mortality not to despair, but to act with urgency and purpose on your most important projects. Don't wait for tomorrow. Act as if. If you want to be disciplined, act like a disciplined person. If you want to be courageous, act with courage. You become your habits. This is how you bridge the gap between who you are and who you want to be. Your success is built within a community. Stoicism provides a clear roadmap for powerful social interactions. Practice sympathy, universal brotherhood. Secret number 11 is recognizing our shared humanity. When others make mistakes, remember they're acting from what they believe is right. This breeds patience and understanding, significantly reducing conflict. Don't fight over words. Secret number 12 is essential for clarity in business and life. Don't get caught up in semantics or arguments about definitions. Focus on the substance of the matter and the goal of the conversation. Get to the point. Accept people as they are. Secret number 13 is freedom from disappointment. People are imperfect, and trying to change them is a fool's errand. Accept them without complaint and focus on modeling the behavior you wish to see. Be unmoved by insults. Secret number 14 is the ultimate emotional defense. An insult has no power unless you give it to it. Simply ignore it or respond with humor. Your peace is always more valuable than winning a petty argument. What good is success if you're never content? These final secrets guide you to true, sustainable happiness. Practice voluntary discomfort. Secret number 15 is Seneca's technique. Occasionally, intentionally deprive yourself. Skip a meal, take a cold shower, or spend a night using less electricity. This builds gratitude and inoculates you against the fear of loss. Live simply. Minimalism. Secret number 16 is to reduce your wants. Desire is a chain. The fewer things you need to be happy, the more truly wealthy you are. This reduces financial stress and frees up your mental energy. Know enough, the true measure. Secret number 17 is the final measure of success. The Stoic definition of a rich man is one content with what he has. Stop chasing the next arbitrary milestone. Look at your life right now, see what you've accomplished, and decide that it is enough. These 17 secrets aren't about getting more, they're about being more. They're practical tools that work 1,000 times better than any fleeting motivation. The secret to success isn't luck or circumstance, it's you and your rational, disciplined mind. Choose just one of these 17 secrets to apply today. Start with focus on the controllables. What will you let go of right now? If this video brought clarity to your success journey, hit that like button and subscribe for more timeless wisdom. Comment below and tell me which Stoic secret will you use first. Thanks for watching, and go live a successful, purposeful life.